morning, I'm Todd and we're making time now. And today we're gonna do some bacon. I was uptown and early in the morning there was a little restaurant there and they had bacon cooking and the whole town just smelled like bacon. So that was yesterday, and so I thought I'd come cook up some bacon this morning. I just had a hankering for it. So what we're using here today, we're using the EZ Campfire Oven. This is a 21-inch rack. This has been upgraded. And we're gonna do some bacon. And this is all these thick slice bacon. I like the thin slice also, but sometimes it's so hard to peel apart. And we got this pulled up. When you have it pulled up, it won't spin around on you as much. Yeah, Jake's helping himself there. And you just take your bacon here, lay it in on the rack. I like cooking it on the rack. This way you don't have a greasy pan to mess with. I mean, it's nice. One downside, you don't have the grease to use for potatoes or anything, but if you're not going to cook potatoes, you don't have all that grease contained with. But you just lay all your slices on the rack here. And they'll shrink up. If you don't have enough room, and just kind of lay them in there the best you can, because they'll shrink up and make room. Jake, you want to lick that off? There we got them all laid in. Put a door on here. We'll lower this down. And keep an eye on them. You want try to hold probably like a 300-degree temperature is nice. And we'll just keep an eye on them here. You want to do them kind of slower. It's kind of like concrete. You think you need to go just a little bit more, much water, a little more water, and next thing you know, you got slop. And same as your bacon. You just want it a minute longer. If you don't watch the fire, you burn all your bacon up. So just kind of keep an eye on it. And like I said, we got a pretty hot fire there. She's up 250 degrees. I'm gonna have to raise that up as soon as that grease starts dripping. But it's a beautiful morning up there this morning. It's only been a couple minutes. Our bacon, yeah, probably 5 minutes. Already, we got a nice little sizzle going on. Nice and slow. For this, I got these long tongs that I like using the best. And we'll take them and we'll flip them over here. Yeah, we'll pull it out here a little bit. You pull it all the way up, kind of traps it in here. Get these bad boys flipped over. Got a couple sausages there I want to put on. They look good. Only thing better than pork is more pork. Okay, put a door on here. Lower it down here. Give her a twist. Got one side done. Won't take that much longer to get that other side however you like your bacon. This way you don't have no grease to mess with, frying pan to clean or anything. The only thing is, once you get done doing your bacon, make sure you burn off your rack, because the next thing you put on there, fire catch it and burns it all up. All right. Time to pull the bacon. All right. Let's get this bacon pulled off. Nice strips here. Another thing, doing them on the rack, if you want nice straight strips for sandwiches and stuff, works good for burgers. Take these, put these in the middle. Got them on kind of late, but just cover them back up in here. Trap some of the heat up. But you can see, maybe some of these we should have pulled a little sooner, but once they set, they're just nice and golden brown. You just got to kind of watch them, otherwise they'll get away from you real quick. You can burn it up pretty quick. You can. So hope this video helped you, and go and visit our website, SCOFFoutdoorcooking.com. And on a beautiful morning like this, just make sure you make yourself some time now. After you get your bacon off, make sure you burn off your rack while it's fresh on your mind. Otherwise, you'll be burning something up. Get that grease off of there. I'm going to rev your fire up. A little blower here works nice. You don't have quite that temperature you want, you just give it a little air, and so handy. So if you can imagine, if you had some biscuits on there, what would happen? Been there, done that. You don't want to do it.